Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable how to auto-translate chat in Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Roblox built an AI model that it says translates tech chats so quickly user may not even notice it's translating the messages of other players at first. It worked with 16 languages including English, French, Japanese, Thai, Polish, and Vietnamese. So what if you want to enable the auto translate chat in Roblox? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Roblox. We can play your favorite game in Roblox. After that, you can go to the settings on the top left corner on your Roblox. You can select on that. You can open the menu. Now you can open the settings. From settings, you'll find there is an option automatic translations. So you can just enable this feature. So now you have turned on the auto translate on your Roblox. And also you can change your experience language. Maybe uh, you want to change to your language, maybe Japanese, Korean, Polish, Portuguese. It's very simple, right? And also in here, you can give translation and feedback and automatic chat translation active. And here, your chat translation language, you can choose. Maybe you want to translate to English or Turkish, Japanese, Indonesian. You can choose the language that you use. It's very simple that after that you can just resume, and when someone chat in this room chat, the chat will be automatically translated to your language that you choose. It's very simple, right? So that is how to translate chat in Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.